Hi, Teri here from Stamping Magic. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing. Now I have our next mini catalogue together with our next Sale-a-Bration brochure. Our mini catalogue will run from the 4th of January to the end of June, and our next Sale-a-Bration promotion runs from the 4th of January to the end of February. As a demonstrator, I'm able to pre-order from these catalogues a month ahead of all customers. So today I'm going to show you what I ordered. I haven't peeked at anything yet, so the first thing I'm going to do is open my box. I'll remove the packing and my delivery note. And then what I'm going to do is organise all the products a little better so it's easier to show you what I've got. I'll be back in a second. The first thing I'm going to show you very quickly are a couple of demonstrator tools that I ordered this time. The first is brand new, and it's just a sampler containing all the different coloured cardstocks that we currently have. The second tool I purchased was the Ready Reference Guide. Now this contains all the information you could possibly need, all in one place, relating to being a demonstrator, making sales and building a team. The first set of products I'm going to show you all come from the Heart and Home product suite. Now this suite actually contains 2 stamp set bundles, both with dies, but I've only actually purchased one of them. I love bees, so there was no way I could resist the Honeybee Home bundle. Now this is a cling red rubber set, and it contains beautiful bee and floral images as well as a great selection of sentiments. Part of the bundle are the Honeybee Blooms dies. Now this includes outline dies for all of the images and also 3 additional dies for various foliage elements. Of course, I also had to get the Hive 3D embossing folder. This is one of our thicker folders, and it will go perfectly with the Honeybee bundle. The last thing I purchased from this suite were the Heart and Home Designer Series papers. Now these are 12 by 12 papers. You get 12 in a pack, 6 double-sided designs. I love both sides of all of these papers. Now on the reverse of the main patterns are all various wood grains in a very neutral finish. Now there are several other products included in this product suite, but I didn't purchase any of them. They include Memories and More cards and various accessories. So this was the Heart and Home Designer Series paper. The next product bundle I'm going to show you are the Happy Hedgehogs, and this consists of a stamp set and a coordinating punch. And on the punch you can punch out the hedgehog's body, and then you can punch out the top layer or the prickles, and you can add this separately to make it more dimensional, so it's a very useful punch. Now this is a photopolymer stamp set. You've got lots of beautiful images and foliage, and then you've also got a few sentiments as well. The next bundle I'm going to show you is the Let's Set Sail bundle, and again this one comes with a coordinating punch, and it punches out the main part of the boat and the 2 sails. The stamp set also includes sentiments as well as some additional images that you can use to build a scene, and again this one is a photopolymer. The next bundle is the Flowering Rain Boots. Now we've had various rain boot sets in the past, but I've never actually got any of them, so I thought this time I would. This time the bundle comes with a die set, the rain boots dies. So again you have outline dies for all the images, plus a couple of additional dies that you can use to build your scenes or help you build your projects. The stamp set again is photopolymer, and it also includes a great selection of sentiments. Next I have another die-based bundle, and this is the Seize the Day bundle. And I fell in love with all the gorgeous images in this set. Now the die set is quite large. It contains outline dies for all the images, but it also contains this fantastic frame. And I thought this would be perfect for all sorts of diorama type cards. Now, as well as the outline dies, you've also got additional dies that you can use for foliage, and also you've even got one that will create little bubbles in your card. And the stamp set is a cling rubber set, and it also includes some sentiments. Next I have a few sort of standalone products that I purchased. The first one is the Friends of the Forest stamp set. Now the deer in this set actually coordinates with our deer builder punch. You've got images for 4 really super cute critters in this set, and then you've got some additional images and sentiments that will help you build your scenes. And this one is a photopolymer set. We have another fabulous sentiment set in this coming mini catalogue called Celebrating You. And this contains sentiments for almost any occasion that you would need one for, and they're all in different fonts. And this is a cling red rubber stamp set. You've got a great happy birthday, you've got thank you and congrats, you've got lots of love and just for you, so you've got very generic sentiments, and then you've got happy Father's Day and Mother's Day, as well as, well, everything else that you could possibly need. Next, I picked up the Cloud Punch. Now, if you follow my blog or my YouTube videos, you'll know that I like to create lots of scene cards, and I think this will be a fabulous addition to help me create those. I also picked up a couple of additional embossing folders. Now the first one is the gingham folder. This is one of our normal folders. It's a thin case. I love gingham designer series paper. It's actually my favourite, so I couldn't resist getting this folder. The other one is one of our little duos, and it's the Stripes and Splatters 3D embossing folders. So these are 2 of our thicker folders. The final product that I purchased were some more stencils. Now this is a pack of 6, and it's the Butterflies and Flowers Layering Decorative Masks. Now you get 3 gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous designs. Whoops, and that's those. I especially love the 2 on the right hand side. Now the other 3 stencils or masks that you get in the set are layering ones, and this is what they look like. Now, so for instance, the butterfly, you could layer the detailed butterfly on top of the block butterfly, or you could just use the block and layer the flower on the centre of it. Now the other 2 layer in various ways. So you've got flowers and then various leaves, and the flowers on this one coordinate with the other one, so they can all be layered on top of each other in various ways. You've also got this large flower arrangement on the middle mask, and they will layer on top of each other as well, but you can use them however you want to. All the remaining products I'm going to show you I actually got for free, and these are all from our forthcoming Sale-a-Bration promotion. I'm going to start with the Simply Marvellous 6-inch Designer Series paper pack. Now in this pack you get 48 sheets, 8 each of 6 double-sided designs. And you've got some wonderful colours here, including Blushing Bride, Basic Grey, Gorgeous Grape, Flirty Flamingo, Coastal Cabana, and various other ones. They're really pretty papers. And these you could pick for free with any purchase of £45. Next we have the Driving By stamp set. Now this is a Cling Red Rubber stamp set. It contains 3 very simple vehicle images together with 3 very simple sentiments. And this one will also be available free with any purchase of £45. The next one is the awesome Otters stamp set, and how super cute is this? So you've got 3 otter images plus a little party hat and a couple of sentiments. This one is also a Cling Red Rubber stamp set, and it's available for free with any purchase of £45. Lastly, I picked up the Friendly Hello bundle, and again this was free, but this time it was with a purchase of £90. This includes the Friendly Hello stamp set, which is photopolymer, and the Friendly Hello Designer Series paper pack. There's a beautiful bird image in this set, together with lots of floral images and a good selection of sentiments. I love the large Hello Friend. Now the paper pack contains 12 sheets of 12 by 12 paper, all double-sided. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and seeing which products I chose to get. Now don't forget, both of these catalogues start on the 4th of January and Sale-a-Bration ends at the end of February.